The side profile of the Datsun pays homage to E-type Jaguars, the Ferrari GTBs of the late 60s and 70s. I think Japan took all the right pieces from Europe and put it into this car and just made it perfect from the get-go. I love the swooping line at the back of the hatch. I like the long bonnet. You could see this in a Bond film. I could see James Bond with, guns coming out near those fender mirrors. I'm Adam Peterson, the founder of Traction Society, and this is my 1975 Fairlady Z. Bought the Z because of its classic style. Its heritage in the JDM scene. The pop culture regarding Wangang Midnight. I love the fender mirrors. I love how it takes or pays homage to a lot of cars from yesteryear. So originally this car came out with an L8C6 or 2.6 litre straight six. That's now sitting at home in my garage, and I have swapped it out with a L28 from the 280Z, and it's got a P90 head, larger cam. It's running ITBs and triple carbs. Carbs are 45s. I've got an upgrade in the Willwood brake system, master cylinder, and obviously upgraded clutch from Exceedi. So the current wheels that we've got on here are Rota RBs. They're a 17x8 with a +4 offset, and behind those wheels we're running a Willwood big brake kit. So it's the 300mm discs and rotor. At the back it's 290mm. Suspension is MCA purple, coilovers all around. They've got custom mounting, they have to be welded on. And Techno Toy tuning, pretty much everything underneath, but the Techno Toy tuning catalogue underneath the car. The interior is pretty much all brand new. The dash was redone down in Melbourne. The seats have all been retrimmed in black leather with red stitching. I've got black leather shift boot with the red stitch, as well as the handbrake cover. I made custom templates up out of paper and sent it to Coco Mats over in America, and they made those checkered mats for me. It's got a original Nismo competition steering wheel. I got this shift knob custom made for me out of maple. You see, you got like this bit of timber trim. I just thought, how can I tie that into my interior? And got the timber shift knob. You hop in this car, there's no radio. You're driving around, it idles nicely, and then you get up it and you think you're in an old Le Mans race car. Just that exhaust note, the rasp, it's just epic.